Thanks for watching Keys. My name's Gary, and today we have A90 SUPRA in the shop. We just did an AWE exhaust, but while we're here, we're gonna show you how to pull the DME and ship it to us for our femto unlock. So the first step is to unplug the battery. You can do it with a standard 10 mil or with your Kies hood latch. You can use this piece to pry up the trunk and then the 10 mil to remove the negative terminal. So two things I recommend doing. With our Kies microfiber towel, I wrap the negative terminal so it doesn't touch any metal in the car at all. And also, then right here, I have a towel for the trunk. So with the battery being in the back, if the trunk closes, you won't be able to get into the trunk or the car if it's locked. So this prevents the trunk from closing and locking you completely out. Now that you remove the negative terminal on your battery, we're gonna come up here to start to remove the DME. First step is to remove the DME cover. So at this point, once the cover comes off, you're gonna have to mark the DME 1 to 6. You can do it in either direction, it's totally up to you. So at this point, once you've marked all of them, we're gonna remove the connectors. So you'll start by pushing this tab down, and this should follow. So at this point, once it's fully unplugged, you're gonna pull the two tabs back and the DME should come right out. So now that the DME is out, you'll have to follow the instructions that we send you after you make the femto purchase. One thing we recommend is to put painter's tape across the DME and all of your information on there so that we know it's yours. So once the DME comes back, you'll plug it in, you'll follow all the steps in the reverse order, and you should be good to tune. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Gary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check us out at Kies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.